Maayong buntag mga higala. Kini si Ruben Castor ug ania kita sa ikaduha na akong pasundayag sa ako ang mga suri-suroy dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia. Mao kini ang ako ang lawak na ay katre. Sudlan sa mga sanina. Ang study table. Sorry. Akong bulingon. Akong pilunon. Akong bulingon. Akong plansyahanan. Dili malikayan nga magkagubot ang akong kwarto tungod kini sa lisod nga pagtimbang-timbang sa akong panahon sa pagskwela ug panahon sa pagtrabaho. Sa iyo magsugod ang ako ang adlaw dinhi. Ang pinakauna na akong ginabuhat, maligo, magtimpla og kape. Maglinis. Umuadto sa akong tunghaan. Sama sa Estados Unidos, ang panahon dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia, upat. Aduna sad sila'y ting-init, otonyo, imbierno, ug ting-pamula. Ang panahon karon, otonyo. Look around you. Ang akong tunghaan dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia, dili layo sa akong gipuy-an. 5 minutos lang, nalakaw, mabot ako. Usa og tunga tuig, ang ako ang kurso nga gikuha dinhi. Usa ka tuig, Certificate 3 of Commercial Cookery, tunga sa tuig nga Certificate 4 of Hospitality. Sumaayong pagabot sa Challenger Institute. Kini ang Queenland's Restaurant kung diin may gitudluan ug unsaon pagpadagan ang back of the house ug front of the house. Ang back of the house mao kini siya ang pagpangusinero ug ang front of the house ang pagserbi ug pag-abi-abi sa mga kumakan-anay. Mga teorya kung unsaon pagdala ang mga empleyado sa tibuok kan-anan ang among tun-anan karon. O, andam na pa mo mosulod sa akong tunghaan? Uban ta ug maminaw ta sa akong maestra. Hi guys.
It's not you dumping your workload onto someone, some other poor slave. It's about you actually managing your time better, especially once you're at that supervisory level.
Yeah.
And plus delegating can also help someone's self-esteem to do a task. The trouble with delegation is a lot of people delegate something and then go, oh, are you doing it? Have you done it yet? Have you done it yet? Oh, don't you know how to do it well? Others have been delegated something to do, and did they do it? No.
Yeah, you just need to make sure as well that they are capable of doing the task.
That they're capable and they agree to it.
Yeah.
So, and if they don't agree to it, you as the manager then have to work out, well, is this an insubordination thing? Is it that they're not capable of doing it?
Exactly.
Well done, team.
What's the first one? Sorry.
Oh,
Okay, thanks.
yes, you should sign a timesheet. Where is the timesheet?
I haven't signed it yet.
Timesheet is on it.
When's your birthday today? Huh? Oh, it's your birthday today.
No, it was Monday.
Happy birthday, Jane.
So guys, for anyone that does want an electronic copy, if
When it's the party?
today get put in. Thank you.
Could have made you a
Thank you.
Goodbye, see you everyone. Duha og tunga sa oras ang ako ang klase karon. Tuna pa ko'y panahon, makikita sa ako ang amiga. Magkita mi sa Debella Coffee Roasting Warehouse. Ginatawag ni siya og roasting warehouse tungod kay ang ilang mga coffee beans kinasanlag nila mismo sa ilaang kaugalingong pwesto. Taod-taod sad ang amo ang pag-istambay sa Debella Coffee Roasting Warehouse. Pero tungod kay buot na kung magpabiling pribado ang among nahiskutan, atong i-fast forward kung diin nakipaghinabi mi sa usa sa mga barista sa Coffee Roasting Warehouse, kung diin gitagaan mi niya og mga freebies. Dili malimod ang akong pagkahilig sa sweet. Hinungdan nga giparisan jud nako og cake ang ako ang kape. Kini ang makina nga ilang ginagamit sa pagsanlag sa mga coffee beans para sa ilaang mga kape. Ug tungod kay dinhi jud mismo ang ilang sanlaganan, sigurado jud ta nga presko ug lamian ang mga kape nga ilang gina-serve.
You wish.
I've read on the internet that Bella conducted a free session in Perth.
Yeah, we did a masterclass, and it was just for information eating, depending on where the beans come from and stuff like that.
Okay.
That's when Philip Jabella was here.
Oh.
He's gone back to Melbourne, so he probably won't be another one for quite a long time.
Because I was just wondering if you have another session with that.
At the moment, we probably won't have one for quite a while. If you like us on Facebook or whatever, it's probably the most like when you advertise.
Yeah. Where exactly does the Bella come from?
Jabella is the Melbourne man.
Okay.
So Jabella, we are the local warehouse for them, and we use Jabella Coffee's coffee. So we're sort of like an independent sort of like retailer, but we're part of like the big chain.
Because when I tried to look it up on Instagram, I discovered that Bella is also in India.
Yeah, so that's with one of our stores in the beta.
Okay.
On Instagram, we are the Bella Roasting Warehouse.
That's loads of coffee. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Guys need that?
I'm actually fine on it.
Yeah, I'm fine. I thought about it.
Would you recommend as for grinding as fine as possible, or
What do you guys use for coffee?
I've got like the grinder I use.
Yeah.
It's just like a Fravula thing around.
2.5 or 3, depending. Probably test that range. Probably going to get depending on. Oh, so like pretty quite
Fine. Yeah. I can't really choose the nice like how long it's just wire press down and then it's grinding from inside. It's not like something like that.
So I do it for quite a long time.
Yeah, so it's as fine as possible.
Fine is probably fine to just not coarse, but like
Yeah.
I can show you an example.
Thank you.
So you want something sort of like that?
Yeah, that's pretty fine. Yeah. Wow.
I wouldn't go any finer than this because
Yeah.
then you'll get more of a Turkish sort of grind.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Yeah.
the information.
See you next time. See you.
Tulo ka klase nga coffee beans ang iyang gihatag sa ako ang amiga ug sa ako ug dili malimod na maayo jud ang ilang pagserbisyo sa mga customer. Gikan sa coffee roasting warehouse, ani ako karon sa wine cellar kung diin makita ang nagkalain-laing klaseng mga collection sa wine ug uban pang ilimnon. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's bloody massive.
I didn't expect this place is this big.
Yeah. So they have it. I think the great pep sale, and then I think the expensive ones are at the very back, or not even up here. Yeah, they're even here.
Yeah, we've got these ones in the Philippines as well. They're a bit yeah.
Okay. So is that pep sale?
Some of the wines that we have there came from here. Oh, let's look for the Kalumi. Alkumi, was it Alkumi? Kalumi.
Tungod kay hospitality ang ako ang gitun-an dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia, kinahanglan nga aduna ko'y gamayng kabalo kabahin sa mga wine.
They're alphabetic.
Oh,
this is
okay.
M, I.
And you know, the one that we had in, I like this one actually. It's cheap
I have never
and
had
it's
it.
not so bad.
Gikan sa Alkumi, Frankland River ang among gipangita nga wine. Ug ang grapes, Cabernet Sauvignon.
We can try something else.
This one is hot. Maybe I have it. Can't really see that. Must be good.
Oh, look, Lenton Bray.
Huh?
Lenton Bray.
Okay. What's that? Juniper Crossing? How much? Yeah.
This is the one that I got from Mark.
Yeah. How much did you pay?
That was 40, but this one is Merlot.
Oh, I see.
The one I got was Cab Sauvignon, and you know the 2010 Cab Sauvignon that they have in the winery, because we visited it when we went to Margaret River. It's like $60.
Wow. Wow.
Ang Lenton Bray usa ka winery estate sa Margaret River. Ang Margaret River naa sa bukirong parte sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia nga among nabisita niadtong Disyembre sa tuig nga 2014. Usa sa pinakadako nga wine producer ang kasadpang bahin sa Australia, sa tibuok Australia o di ka sa tibuok kalibutan. Ug dili ka ni malimot kay gatos kapin ang mga wineries na nihimutang aning lugara. Ug tungod niini, kumun kaayo ang mga free wine tastings.
Oh, Kimmy. Shiraz.
Oh, yeah,
So
that
they
one.
must have the capsule. Why is it here? It's just Shiraz. Oh, Shiraz. Vegan.
Sa among pagpangita sa wine nga alkumi, nakuha sa amuang pagtagad ang mga botilya nga naay tatak nga clean skin. Ang sulod aning mga botilyaha, mga wine nga salin-salin sa mga dagkong produksyon. Ginabaligya nila og barato, pero kung masurtian ka, ang sulod aning baratuhon nga botilya ang pinakamahal o pinakalamian daay nga wine.
City 298, thank you.
Aniya ko karon sa Kugon Market. Wala bitaw. Na ako sa op shop. Ang op shop usa ka tindahan nga namaligya og mga second hand nga mga butang. Ukay-ukay.
Have a wonderful week. Alrighty, we are in front of beautiful peaches and we're going to taste some yummy cheese.
Yeah, we came here for the cheeses because they're free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese tasting.
Yeah.
Free cheese tasting.
What's that? Too hard?
Don't you like it? Parmesan.
Not bad. I like fresh parmesans.
Last time I was here, they had pate. That's really good.
Yeah,
That's
that
one of my favorite ones now. Have you had it?
No, it's
Coursa, it's French. It's a soft one. It's quite expensive. Soft one. We have it in Switzerland. It's rather cheap in Switzerland, but here it's just like maybe $6. It's like a soft one, like a round sort of thing, with herbs and garlic, pretty much. Oh, it looks like that.
oh yeah,
Yummy, so good.
like a small brie.
More like a soft cheese, not like brie. It's more like a cream cheese type of thing.
Okay.
Double decker. I make a double decker. Something quite rich. Oh, that's a cheaper one. I want to get the smallest. Oh, sorry, you've got it on video.
I'm gonna finish this.
Are you really?
Oh yeah, the one we got last time.
So good.
You want more of that?
Huge quince. Quince. Have you had quince before?
No. Is that like a lemon?
I never had it as like that. I always had it in jam.
Okay.
It's very jelly.
Yeah, I'll get more of that.
Sweet Aussie, uyu, unsa kaha kini nga putasa sa Pilipinas.
Really nice.
Puro libre.
Funny. Here it is one of the like very expensive lettuces in Switzerland. Does it run tonight?
I'm not sure. I think so.
Because it's the. Did you watch yesterday?
Yeah, when the
Oh, it's already dark. We have
Yeah.
to go home and
Yeah.
eat our yummy treat. So we're hunting today.
Okay. So bye.
Bye bye. See ya.
See you.
See you next time.
Thank
It was
you.
lots of fun as always.
Bye.
Nahuman ra jud ang akong pagsurisuroy. Mag-uban ta sa sunod nga higayon. Asa man, dingilang sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia. Ayaw kalimot, ako si Ruben Castor, ang inyong higala.